Frequent flyers, flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer. Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. And if you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. And today I'm out here with the Snaptain A10 foldable drone. It does have a camera on it, but I'm not interested in the camera. I reviewed this guy already, but I just want to fly it. I like to fly these drones, but I really don't like the cameras that they have. And I'm really not interested in camera work with these drones anyhow. I just like sporty flying with them, and this thing flies kind of sporty. It does have altitude hold, but it's good for an altitude hold drone. I really wish it didn't have altitude hold. I was thinking about modding this guy to drop another brain in here, another board, to get it to not have altitude hold, but it seems a little complex with the battery system and all of that. But I think I can get around it. I'm not sure where exactly the board is laying in this thing, and if there's enough space to fit a little. I might have to put a tiny board in here, but I have not taken it apart to really do more investigation on it, so it might work. But anyhow, let's get this guy up in the air. It's a scorcher out here today too. It's very hot, and the wind is really high. It's a lot of wind out here. Earlier there was almost no wind. But anyhow, let's see how this guy does in the wind. It does have 3 speeds, so and a blade of grass was wrapped right around it. I saw the grass wrapped around the prop when I took off with it. So let's try to do a hand takeoff. Okay, there you go. It's still in high rates. It doesn't have a lot of pitch on it though, but it should be enough to handle this wind out here though. It does sliding turns though. Let's see if we can get a flip off. So it does flips. I came over here to this little patch of grass and park here because they're having a picnic or whatnot over there. She keeps trying to go down on me. So it's an okay flyer, but I really want to fly it with deviation and get more pitch on it too. And also to get the altitude hold gone. If I do away with the altitude hold, I'll be able to do manual flips and all, and just have a bunch more fun with it. Can't really do any proximity with it because it's reduced to doing sliding turns because of the lack of pitch. The yaw is pretty good though. This is the best of a funnel I can do with it. It just lacks pitch. And I would say the response, there's a small delay on the response and all of the quad reacting to the transmitter. It could be a range issue, I'm not sure, or could be interference, but I do notice that slight delay sometimes. Oh, it's flashing and it went down on me. So that's all the flight we're going to get out of it. Had my fun, I guess. Well, the lights are actually solid now, so I'm not sure if that it might have gone down because of a range issue. Let's see. Yep, it could have been just the range. It's back in the air now. I saw it flashing when it went down just now. So there's some type of interference out here, or maybe it's just the range, but I don't remember when I tested this one. I don't remember it having bad range or anything like that. So maybe there's some kind of interference out here. Maybe that's what that delay was that I'm feeling sometimes. Getting it now, actually. Do some flips. Oops, I don't know what button I hit just now. I didn't hit the flip button. There we go. There we go. So this guy flips nice. I don't know if you guys can see that, but the front lights were just flashing just now. Whenever I go past that little log over there, then the lights start flashing. In that area where the log is, it makes the lights turn off. It's definitely not at LVC because it's storing flips still. Man, it just shot up in the air just now. I didn't do that. I don't know if that was the wind or some kind of interference. Or maybe it is getting weak in battery. Because I just got a flash of the lights just now. Nope, but it's still flipping. That was a cool little flip. Oh, it's just turning around on its own. It did an extra turn on me. It looks awesome flipping in the air. Does flips in all directions except for diagonal flips. In fact, the only quad that I know of that does diagonal flips is the Trax Alias. Sheesh, I'm getting a lot of wind now, and the lights are flashing. So we're really at LVC this time. Just trying to go down on me. Let me bring it in close and try to catch it. Come here. And so yeah, it's flashing now. So we were at an LVC warning. And so that's the Snaptain A10. Quick little park flight. Thanks for watching.